I figured you'd be up on the radio about this time. I guess you up earlier than this, usually, huh? What about out there around the west side, River Rat, Mobile, these smoky hills, looking around shaky ground, reading its mail. Well, it's always good to hear you, Mr. Pirate. Hey, Mountain Dew here in the Razorback. Back to you right quick, man. Kind of good.
Around the west coast, 4 1/4, working these great big 8s. 4 1/4, working these great big 8 elements. Got down.
I got it right. Yeah, that old 4 1/4. He's a booming station for sure. I can't compete with him.
Is that a little bit better right there, Radio Doctor? I've been all over the band because I can kind of move around now, so I may just not be tuned out right. Radio Doctor 4 1/4.